Hello Mattsson Roofing fans, it's me and Senor Bones here. We just converted this garage. We did a whole garage roof replacement. We converted this back part of the garage here, which is a low slope, to a roll roofing system. It was originally shingles. One thing that the garage previously had was it had a skylight on the back of it. The homeowners opted to take out the skylight and just board it up. We literally took out the existing skylight and just put a sheet of plywood to make it just a regular part of the roof, and we put the roofing materials, the low slope roof over it. Sometimes skylights can be in awkward rooms or just awkwardly placed in a room that doesn't really need a skylight. We always like to replace skylights, but you can take them out and board them up. It's gonna look something like this. Technically, once we board it up, Mattsson Roofing's job is done. So this homeowner is going to need to hire a painter or a drywall guy just to come in, fill this with insulation most likely, and then put in fresh sheetrock. Again, we like replacing skylights. It lets in a lot of natural light, but in the event that you no longer want your existing skylight as part of your new roof or a roof repair, we can take out the skylight, board it up, call it a day.